Hi there, Tony Bonus here with STARLINE Windows. Now you're probably wondering, why am I in front of the shower? Now the reason I'm in front of the shower is I'd like to demonstrate how to properly care for your insect screens. Now I've mentioned on a previous video that I highly recommend removing your screens prior to the winter season because the harmful winter environments could actually damage your screen cloth and they would get unnecessarily dirty. And it'll actually protect them by taking them, washing them, and putting them away. So what you want to do is grab your shower wand. Hopefully you have a shower wand. If you don't, just a regular shower will be fine, and all you'd have to do is grab your insect screen and move them around. But basically hot water will not hurt the screen. It'll actually wash the fiber mesh basically 100%. If you got any other stubborn areas on the cloth, what I would recommend is actually grabbing some Windex or some household cleaner and giving it a little mist and get that soap going. And just the hotter the better. It'll clean it. You get all the dust off your insect screens. You basically turn it, flip it around, give it a good rinse. You can see all the dirt just going away that picks up during the year, during the spring, during the summer, to the fall. And if you got any stubborn areas on your aluminum, I recommend just basically again giving it a quick little spray, your household cleaner, and a little dish pad basically like this. And just give it a wipe. You can wipe off all that dirt. You can see on this screen there's actually some remnants of a sticker, some glue, so just once you get it hot enough you can basically rub it off. And there you have it. I hope you found this video helpful. We would love to have you follow us on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Subscribe to it, share our videos, and we look forward to hearing from you.